Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering down and removing the case. This prevents short circuits and gives access. Once done, take out the SIM or micro SD to avoid damage while opening. Use a magnifier to spot lint ports or near the vibration motor. Those particles block motion, which is why cleaning often fixes the issue. Carefully collect a small Phillips, a plastic spudger, and a compatible replacement motor so you're ready for the next step without interruption. You now open the device by working the spudger along the seams, applying gentle, even pressure. This prevents cracking. Once inside, identify the vibrator, usually a small cylinder or coin motor, and note how it connects. Soldered pad or flex connector. Carefully lift any adhesive and observe solder joints and the flex cable for breaks, corrosion, or displaced screws. These cause intermittent or no vibration. Make sure to document connector orientation with a quick photo before removing anything. You remove the old motor, desolder if necessary, or unplug the flex connector. Then fit the new motor, matching orientation and securing adhesive. Once mounted, reassemble the phone loosely and power it on to test vibration patterns. This verifies function before final sealing. If vibration works, tighten screws and press the back into place. If it doesn't, make sure to test board traces with a multimeter and perform a software reset. This key troubleshooting tip catches configuration or trace-level faults that mimic hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.